Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to go ahead and do a hair review on Asteria Hair Company. So I bought a water wave frontal wig. It's a 13x4 and it came in this bag. And it actually just came in like a regular packaging, so it didn't really come in a box or anything, it just came in a bag. And it has a cap. It also came with some lashes, and if y'all don't know, I just recently learned how to put lashes on. It was my first time wearing lashes, and I did my thing. So they gave us these 5D lashes. I don't know the difference between 3D, 5D. I'm assuming, yeah, they look cute. So that's all that came in here. Already combed it out. Now when I combed it out, I don't know if y'all can see it, when I like run my fingers through it, it's hair, and then if I do it again, it's more hair. So it sheds, and I haven't even like installed it or anything, so it's definitely shedding. I watched some other reviews on this hair though, and they said that the hair does shed, but like when you install it, it doesn't shed, which I don't understand, but we'll see when I install it. Now the curls, they're cute. It's just still shedding, y'all. I don't like that. It got here pretty quickly though. So I ordered this hair about last week around, I believe it was Wednesday or Thursday. And you know, it doesn't ship on the weekend, so it took about 3 days to get here. That's like plus like the delivery and everything like that. So it was really good. And it has like a tag on here. It has some combs in the back of the cap. 3. So 1, 2, 3. Lace is really grayish. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like a gray tint like on my skin. I don't know if that's normal, but it's like gray. I don't know if y'all can tell. Okay, it looks, I hope it looks gray because I see gray, but y'all gonna probably see like brown or something. But it's cute. It's like a thin lace, so that's always good to make the install flawless. So it's a 13x4. You can tell like it hasn't really been plucked per se. Like the hairline hasn't been plucked. I feel like they tried to do a little something because I don't know if y'all can see, but like they tried to do a little something because it's like a little thin on the hairline right there. So maybe they plucked it a little bit. I'm gonna definitely pluck it some more. But other than that, it didn't have a, it definitely smells like factory. It smells like some type of factory smell, but it's not like a bad smell. I wish I could show it to y'all on, but I just flattened my hair, so. But it's cute. I don't know if you can see the curl pattern. It's 24 inches, pretty long. Curls are really pretty. I'm gonna put it on. Oh yeah, no baby. I did get a medium cap, so I hope this fit my head because my head's pretty big. But when I was looking at the reviews, they told me to get a size down. So hopefully that works because I usually make my own wigs because I know exactly my size, but let's just see if this works because I got a size down and I'm not a medium sized head, I'm a large, so let's see. I don't know, but it's a cute wig though. What else is there to say? The company was really nice. Like they reached out to me to make sure I got my order. They emailed me. I think they emailed me like 3 times though. Like first it was like, you know, to confirm the order. So I know other AliExpress companies usually don't like ask to confirm your order. I don't know, I haven't ordered from them in a long time, so maybe they do now. But when I ordered back in the day, like they don't never ask to confirm your order. They just take the payment, and they send you the email confirmation, and then that's it. But they ask you to confirm your order through email, so you just gotta like type yes or something like that, and then they send you another email that has like the delivery options and details and information and all that. Then they send you like a email where you can like do tracking for your order. So that was really good with that. And then they told me it was complete. And so I had to wait on my school to give it to me. But it's cute. It's definitely not my hair color, so I'm definitely gonna like bleach it. I already got what I wanted to do with it, so it's definitely a cute Valentine's Day wig. Okay. I'm gonna probably do a 2-week update, and then I'm gonna do a month update after I done wore it, bleached it, because I'm bleaching this. I'm bleaching the mess out of this wig. So I'm gonna let y'all know all the details, all the, you know, all of it. So we gonna, get to it, and I'm gonna let y'all know. But yeah, y'all, I'm sorry if y'all see the towels in the background. Don't pay attention. Let's just act like it's not there. But yeah, never purchased from this company. Got a bob. I can show y'all how that bob turned out, okay? Period. I ain't gonna say the name of the company. Okay, I just have no words. So this is a bob wig that I had. It didn't come in this color. I actually dyed it this color. It came in a 613 wig. I didn't even bleach this wig. Like I just, I toned it or whatever with a purple shampoo and with some toner, with some Wallaby toner. And it turned out really cute, but then I was bored with it. And so I said, why not dye it? And I'm gonna insert some clips. It was really cute, but it was definitely stiff, okay? I don't know, stiff wear this hair. But it was a nicely customized wig though, I can't lie. It looked like beauty supply hair. It's like they gathered up all of the beauty supply hair that's in the beauty supply like packages. They put it into this wig. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I didn't feel like making my wig for Valentine's Day this year, so I was like, I got too much to do, so I'm just gonna buy a wig and call it a day. I was gonna buy my wig off Hair So Fab, but I was being a broke, so I was like, yeah, no, I'ma just go ahead and buy this here wig, and let's see how it is. I was reading the reviews, and it was some good reviews. So, but it was mostly sponsored reviews, y'all. This is not a sponsored video, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all the truth and nothing but the truth. Y'all know how I'm feeling about this wig. I don't like that it sheds. I'm gonna keep saying that because I'm very disappointed, okay? It sheds like a dog, okay? We're gonna be honest. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it sheds like a poodle, okay? It sheds like a poodle, like a rag dog. It's like they put the dog in this wig and it's shedding, for real. But no, it's cute. I ain't never had a curly wig before, so this shall be interesting. And I'm reading some messages over here, so that's why I'm looking. But yeah, wish it was a 13 by 6 though, because it's really not that much parting space. If you can see, like it stops. Hold on, y'all probably like, girl, shut up. But so it goes from here to her, so here to her, and it's really not that much parting space. I really hope when I bleach this hair, it stays, like the curls stay together, like they stay this pattern instead of like straight, because then I'm gonna have to straighten it. Return this mug. I'm gonna return it, the whole wig. They can have the lashes, the bag, and the wig cap, all of it. Returning it all. So that's it for this hair review. It's a really cute texture. It's really soft. It's really soft. It's full. I only got a 150. I think I got 150 density on this wig. It was the lowest density because Lord, I tried to do 180. I think the wig was 200, and so it's a 13x4 frontal lace wig water wave, and it was $299. But I think it was more than that, and they gave me a Valentine's Day discount code. So when I applied that, then it was like $290 or $280 or something like that. And then if you go up density, it's like an extra like $80. No cap. Like it's an extra like 80 or something dollars. I may be over exaggerating, but you gotta check yourself. I'm gonna leave a link and stuff in the description. So I was like, I'm gonna just stick with the little, you know, classic 150 density. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share all of my videos and my page with all of your friends and families.